now to end this self-care series, I want to give you a couple of affirmations. Now, affirmations are very powerful self-love tools, and they help you to create a positive self-image as in when you repeat it over a period of time, these really add value to your self-esteem. So let's do a few. Number one, my journey is unique and I am exactly where I need to be. My journey is unique and I am exactly where I need to be. I choose to let go of self-doubt and embrace my inner self-confidence. I choose to let go of my self-doubt and embrace my inner self-confidence. I honor my needs and prioritize self-care in a daily routine. I prioritize and honor my needs and do self-care as a daily routine. So if we continue to do these affirmations while we say it, while we write them down and during our journaling, it's going to make a huge difference in actually reinforcing these behaviors in our patterns, in our lives as women, making us healthier, happier, and more joyful.